Now we can start our 10th chapter, Practical Geometry, Construction of Parallel Lines. Here, it is very easy for us to draw parallel lines. Okay, now it's parallel lines. These two are parallel, line L and line L. Then L and M. These two lines have equal distance from start to end, same distance. Now, if a line is given and the point is here, how can we draw a parallel line to this line L? Okay, we have to draw a parallel line. How can we draw? Now we can discuss exercise 10.1 first question. Draw a line, say AB. Take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to B, AB, using ruler and compasses only. That is, there is one line AB. We have to mark as point C outside it. Through this C, we have to make another line. That line will be parallel to AB. Okay, how can we draw this? We can use this pencil and scale. Also our compass. While keeping the pencil in this compass, we have to keep pencil point and compass point in same level. Okay. Both points should be in same level. First, we can draw a line AB. We can name this one as AB. We can mark C here. Then we can start our process. First, we can draw a line and we can name this one as D. Okay, then take the compass, take a convenient radius and draw a small arc. How can we draw? We have to keep the compass point on D. Okay, then draw an arc. Okay, then we can name this arc as E and F. These points. Okay. Then we have to draw another arc. At the time, this compass point should be there on C. Then draw another arc. We can name this arc as, here the joining point G and here we can name it as H. Okay. Then we have to take the distance from E to F. Okay, then keep this compass point on G and cut GH. Draw a small arc on the big arc GH. Okay. Then here one joining point is there. We can name this joining point as I. We can join this I and C by using scale. Okay, we can draw like this way. Clear? Then this line is, we can name this one as CI. Now we can say this CI is parallel to AB. We can write it as CI parallel to AB, and I was the point outside to AB. Clear? Now we can do second question also, that is draw a line L. That is, we can draw a line L. Then draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. So we have to draw a perpendicular line. On this perpendicular, choose a point X. That is, we have to draw a perpendicular line to L. Okay. Then this point here we have to make a point X. The distance from this point to this line L should be 4 centimeter away from L. That is, from L we have to take 4 centimeter. Then where is that point? That point will be X. Then through X, draw a line M. Through X we have to draw another line M. Then this M will be parallel to L. How can we draw that? First, we drew without the distance, but here we got the distance 4 centimeter. First, we have to draw the line L. Now, we have to draw a perpendicular line to a line L, okay? Now, to get this perpendicular line, we can mark P on this line L. After then, we can draw an arc, okay? And then we have to keep here one small arc with the same distance. Keep the compass point here, okay? Then draw another arc. After then, keep the compass point on this arc, okay? And this joining point. Here, one joining point is there. Here also one joining point is there. Okay. This was our arc, this one. Now, we can draw the perpendicular. Before that, we have to keep the compass point on this joining point. Then, with the same distance, keep the compass point on this joining point and draw another arc to cut this first arc. Okay. First, we drew like this way. Then, we have to draw another one. Okay. We have to draw another one. Okay. Now, here one joining point will be there. We have to join this point and this P. Okay. We have to draw a line. Okay. Here we can use one scale to join these 2 points. Okay. Now going to draw this one. Clear? This is perpendicular to L. This line is perpendicular to L. That is, here will be 90 degree. Okay. Then here also will be 90 degree. Now, another step is, we have to take the compass distance 4 centimeter. That is, take the compass, keep the compass point on 0. After then take a 4 centimeter distance. Okay. Next, keep the compass point on P. Then mark it here. Draw a small arc. The distance from this small arc to P will be 4 centimeter. Now the name of this joining point will be X, that is given in the question. Now the question is, through X we have to draw a parallel line. That parallel line will be parallel to this L. Okay, line L. Now here already one arc is there. We can take the distance of this arc, so we can avoid making more arcs. Okay, here that we have to keep the compass point on this point, then draw an arc. We can mark these points A, then B. Here we can give it as C. Then take the compass distance A to B. Okay. Then keep the compass point on C. Then draw another arc to cut this first arc. Then here we will get one joining point. Okay, we have to join this X and this joining point. Okay, we can mark this one as M. So now we can say these two lines are parallel to each other. That is, L is parallel to M. Clear for you? I think this is very easy for you to draw. Thank you.